Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to get glowing and bright skin fast. Whether you have a big event or just want to brighten up your complexion, we've got some fantastic remedies and tips for you. Let's get glowing. Simple tips for glowing skin. Drink plenty of water. Hydration is key to glowing skin. Aim for 8 glasses a day. Use a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C brightens your skin and reduces dark spots. Apply it in the morning for a radiant glow. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells and helps your skin look fresh. Use a gentle scrub 2 to 3 times a week. Get your beauty sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so don't skip it. Face masks for whitening and glow. Yogurt and honey mask. Mix plain yogurt with honey. Apply to your face for 15 minutes. Yogurt exfoliates and honey moisturizes, leaving your skin glowing. Lemon and turmeric mask. Combine a teaspoon of lemon juice with a pinch of turmeric. Apply for 10 minutes. Lemon brightens your skin, and turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties. Tomato and aloe vera mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of tomato pulp with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Tomato helps in brightening, while aloe vera soothes and hydrates. Cucumber and milk mask. Blend half a cucumber with 1 tablespoon of milk. Apply the mixture to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Cucumber cools and hydrates, while milk gently brightens your skin. Papaya and honey mask. Mash a small piece of ripe papaya and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply it to your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Papaya contains enzymes that help in exfoliating and brightening, while honey moisturizes. And that's it. These tips and remedies will have you glowing and brightening your skin in no time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.